dolls, welcome back to another video. When y'all see this wig cap on, y'all already know what time it is. I am here to show you guys another beautiful unit by Klaiyi hair, and you guys know I get right into the video, so let's get started. Today I am showing you guys their Ombre Yaki straight texture unit. This will be an ombre of like a beautiful chestnut brown. This is the unit here, freshly out of the box. I have not touched it yet, so I want to show you guys what it looks like. Of course, you get your dust bag, okay, to store your hair in if you don't want to keep the box. You also receive an HD wig cap, a band for the lace, and a baby hair brush so you can do your baby hairs and slick them down. I really like this one because it comes with an extra brush so that you can detach this one if it gets old and place on a new one. So that is so reasonable. I love it. So now let's get into the star of the show, okay? I did receive some Bye Bye Knots lace tape just in case I don't want to use any glue. These do come out in handy, so yeah, especially on glueless wigs when you don't need as much glue. So this is what it looks like right out of the box. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. Look how pretty that color is. It is very, very pretty. So I love that. It does come in the middle part, ready to wear. It looks like the lace is cut. So the lace is cut for me. It's pre-plucked. The knots are very, very small, which give a hairline, the hairline, a natural look, which we appreciate and love. I know I appreciate it because, baby, I don't have to, I'll wet the hair a little bit. I don't have to worry about plucking or anything like that. It saves me so much time, even down to the lace already being cut for me. Like, that hairline looks very, very natural, and like I said, the knots are very small, which give an illusion of a realistic hairline. This is what you get as far as how much room of lace you get. I like that the lace is kind of cut in like zigzag motion so that, you know, the front of your hair don't look like a helmet and it's just not straight across. It gives you more of a realistic look, so we like that. I do want to show you what the lace looks behind my hand as far as skin to lace. So this looks like it's going to melt down really, really good. That looks great. So you do get your band inside of the lace that you can adjust, and then you also get your adjustable straps in the back, and you get this drawstring in the back too as well, which is going to give you that double security 360 all the way around for your wig. So honestly, I may not have to use any glue. We're gonna try it on right now. I'm not even gonna waste no time and try on this wig right now. First, I am going to adjust my adjustable straps and the band that you can also adjust to as well. So looks really good with no glue. Like, this is right out the box, y'all. Right out the box, it looks really good. So I already know this is going to go well because it's not styled, it's not flat iron, it's not nothing. And it comes out the box just like this. So that's a major plus for me. I like that a lot. That looks really good. If I wanted to, I can like put like some lace tint to just like the front of the hairline, just so that it can really melt down a little bit more to my skin. But as you guys can see, that looks good. Also, wherever you part, it seems like I wouldn't have to worry about plucking. So if I want to do a side part, a deep side part, I can. This is where the lace stops. So the lace stops right to where your sideburn is on both sides. This is where the lace stops, okay, where the sideburn is. My ears are able to be comfortable, so you don't have to worry about your ears hiding. I'm gonna keep the middle part, but like I said, you can put this into a deep side part, even though this is a 7x5 room of lace. As you guys can see, I can part that and I don't have to worry about plucking. What I am going to do though, I am going to flat iron the hair so that we can get it straightened out. And I'm going to do a little bit of baby hair, just slightly, nothing too too crazy. I like the Yaki texture. The Yaki texture is definitely light. It's not like overly too thick where I feel like I can't manage it. So I do like that, and it's soft. So this definitely is light Yaki. I personally like Yaki texture because it mimics my real texture a lot. This looks like my real hair texture if I was to straighten my hair out and get a nice blowout. Okay, this is what my hair will look like. So the texture definitely gives. I'm going to go ahead and flat iron it. I do also want to curl it just a little bit so you guys can see how this hair looks curled, but first I'm going to flat iron the hair and then curl it. Look how bomb that looks. It's like, it looks even more better. It was easy to straighten out. I don't even have the heat up that high, but you can use it up to 450 degrees. Okay, so this is not straightened, and this is straightened, and this is not. So it has a little bit more body flowy. It's a little bit more flowy once you put some heat to it. Not saying that this is stiff, but you can tell the difference. Both sides are still soft, but like this just flowy, more flowy, you know? But I'm gonna go ahead and do this side real quick and come back. Y'all, get into how bomb that fucking, excuse my French, that looks, and get into the body. I probably need to flat iron the back a little bit more, so if it don't look too straight in the back, don't say nothing. But get into the body. It's so lightweight. Ah, she's giving, okay? This is Yaki hair now, look. And she got movement, don't play. And the length is perfect. I believe this is probably a 24, 22. I will have it down below, but like that looks freaking good. Now we curl the hair so I can show you guys what the hair looks like if I was to curl it. I am honestly interested myself to see if it could hold a curl. And it curls, so I'm gonna just do random curls all over, and then I'm going to set it. I want to put some holding spray on it, but first I'm going to just do the curls really quick. Just go through the hair, do the curls, and then put some holding spray on it because yeah. But so far so good. So far so good. Okay, so now that my hair is all curled up, looks amazingly beautiful. Love the curls, love the curls. Get into it. It curls really good. Personally, I would say use a lot of holding spray so that it can hold. But other than that, it's good. I like it both ways. I love the straight and I love the curl. I wanted to show you guys that you guys can do both because you can use heat on this hair, so you do have a lot of versatility. Like I said, you could also do this to a side part if you want to. I did show the side if you was to do the side part. If you was to part, you don't have to worry about plucking, so that's a plus for me. I do want to show you guys the back of the hair really quickly, which will be the drawstring. Oh, I almost forgot, I did not use any glue on my lace. Like, you guys, this is laying down with no glue. Only thing that I used was some holding spray. But without this holding spray, it was laying down, like y'all saw, on its own. Like, legit on its own. I just used a little bit of holding spray just to lay down my baby hairs. But, honey, no freaking glue. No glue. Look how good that looks naturally on its own. This is the drawstring back here. So all you have to do is just literally pull this. Hopefully you guys can see. Just pull it, and you're gonna see it like kind of like gather together. You're gonna feel it. It feels very much secure. And then once you do that, all you will have to do is take that drawstring, the string here, and just tuck it in. It's very, very neat. I can, like, you know, brush my kitchen back there, what you call it, you know, your kitchen back there. You can brush it, sleek it, but other than that, there's no track showing or anything. You can pin your hair up, put it in a ponytail, and you're good to go. So I love this hair because it comes with that double security, and you can do a half up, half down. You can do a ponytail. You can put all the hair up in a ponytail if you like, and there won't be any track showing. It's just all around good. I know with some wigs, sometimes your wig can come too big for your head, so sometimes you can literally see your wig in the back, like all and through it. But with this, it's just so neat. You don't see anything. Everything is basically just neat as it wants to be. Okay, hair in itself, the texture of it feels really, really good. It's very soft, and I feel like it's just great material all the way around. Make sure that you click the link in the bio, and also if I do have a discount code, it will be there too as well. And I just love Klaiyi hair because they always have great hair, and the quality is always there. Okay, so make sure that you click the link down below. Let me know your thoughts. I love this color too as well. I just want to say that again. I love the color, the brown, the ombre. It's just all around just a gorgeous unit. So let me know what y'all think, how you like it. Make sure that you click that link down below, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Give this video a thumbs up, and of course I'll see baby dolls in the next video.